Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Valorant or right in the middle of the game, you got a blank error message in the Valorant. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, you need to open the game directory where the Valorant is installed. In my system, the game is installed in F drive, Droid Games, Valorant, Live. Here, right click on the Valorant and go to its properties. In the compatibility tab, make sure you check mark both these options. Run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimization. After doing so, hit apply and OK button. Nextly is right click on start menu, choose option run, type a percentage, local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Now here find a folder with the name Valorant and open it. Open save folder. Now you will find a config folder. Right click on it and choose the option delete. After doing these two changes, try to replay the game and hopefully the issue will be fixed. If not, in second step, right click on taskbar and choose the option task manager. Click on the details tab and in the search box type in Roid. Right click on roidclient.exe and choose the option end task. Now after each and every process is closed, then click on start menu, type cmd and choose the option run as administrator. Now type here a command scdelete vgc and hit the enter key. Second one is scdelete vgk, again hit the enter key. After doing so, make sure to restart your PC as this is the mandatory step to proceed. After restarting, open C drive, program files and here you will find a folder with the name Vanguard. Right click on this folder and choose the option delete. You can see I have not restarted my PC, that's why it is giving me the error. So make sure you must restart your PC. Once your system restart, you need to relaunch your Roid client as an administrator. Now you need to sign in using your user ID and password. Now once you are logged in, go to Valorant and you will find the option of update. Simply choose the option update. Once update is finished, restart your system and relaunch your game and this will completely fix out your blank error message while playing the Valorant. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.